Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix invalid destination address on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times, and you will, after the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and search messages app from here. Click on messages app, click on manage go back and click on storage and usage. And if you want to fix this problem, so clear cache messages app. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone, and click on reset network and Bluetooth setting. Enter phone pin, click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.